Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nuraina Hasha binti Muhammad Nizam and I'm from class 8. Today I'm going to present to you one of the topic in chemistry which is polymers. So here is the topic covered. We're going to learn from this topic. The first one is what is polymers? Polymers such type of polymers, characteristic of polymers, example of good manufacturing in our daily life, polymerization reactions, comparisons, additions and condensations, polymerizations, and the last one is it good polymers in the environment? So we're gonna learn that. So what is polymers? Polymers is a long-chain molecule that is made from a combination of many repeating basic units. There are various items around us that are made of polymers, such as protein, starch, and nylons. The basic unit of polymers is called monomers. Monomers is a basic unit polymers. Monomers is a basic unit of polymers. Therefore, monomers have a small molecules. The reactions of monomers fusions to produce a polymers is called the polymerization reactions. Polymerizations can be classified into several groups based on the sources of the polymers. The way the polymers is produced and into several groups based on the sources of the polymers. The way the polymers is produced and the characteristic of resulting polymers. Polymer sources have two. The first one is natural polymers and the second one is synthetic polymers. What is natural polymers? Natural polymers are polymers that are produced naturally and can be obtained from the environment. Natural polymers are made up of carbon, hydrogens, nitrogens, and oxygens. Here is the example of natural polymers include stretch, protein, and cottons. What is synthetic polymers? Synthetic polymers are produced by human start chemical reactions in laboratories or in factories. Nylon, polyethylene, polyethylene, and PVC are among the examples of synthetic polymers produced in the industrial sector. So here are examples made from synthetic polymers. They have three types of polymers. The first one is thermoplastic polymers, the second one is thermosetting polymers, and the last one is elastomers polymers. Three types of polymers have their own characteristics. So here is the example. For thermoplastic polymers can be molded repeatedly after being heated and can be recycled. When heated, the thermoplastic polymer melts and hardens when cooled. Not other than that, thermoplastic are easy to mold and shape when heated because the polymers don't have cross-link between long-chain polymer molecules. The second one is thermosetting polymers cannot be remolded after heating, normally disintegrate or burn upon heating and cannot be recycled. The examples of thermosetting polymers is melamine and bakelite. The last one is elastomer polymers. Elastomer polymers can be stretched and can be returned to their original shape with release, possess high elasticity properties. So here are the examples of elastomer polymers: polyurethanes and SPR. Example of consumer good in manufacturing in our daily life. So they have a lot of items in our daily life made of polymers. Thermoplastic polymers, like a basket, plastic bag, and bottles, are made of polythenes, food packaging materials that we use every day in a cafe, are made of polystyrenes. Insulations of electrical wires and pipe is made of PVC. For the second one is thermosetting polymers. Electrical plug, car bumper, and iron handles or cooking utensils are made of bakelite. Adhesions of epoxy resins, capillaries such as plates and bowls are made of melamine. And the third one is elastomer polymers. Here is some. Medical devices such as stethoscopes are made of silicon rubber. Third one is car tires are made of SBR, and the last one is small boat and wetsuits are made of neon print. Polymerization reactions have two. The first one is addition polymerizations and the second one is condensation polymerizations. For addition polymerizations occurs when monomers having a double covalence bond between carbon double bond react with each other from lone chains called polymer. The next one is condensation polymerizations. Condensation polymerizations involves at least two different monomers. It It is a process in which monomers join together to form a large molecule with the removal of small molecules such as water and hydrogen chloride. So, what are the two polymers resulting from these reactions? It is trinite and nylon. Comparisons between additions and condensations polymerizations. This is comparisons between additions and condensations polymerizations. They have three comparisons. The first one is definitions. Definitions for additions polymerizations is the process is synthesizing additions polymerizations. However, for condensations polymerizations, the condensation process resulting in the formations of polymers. For readability, monomers should be unsaturated molecules. For additions polymerizations, for condensation polymerizations, monomers should be saturated molecule. Process rate, a rapid process force additions. However, for condensation polymerization, it is a slow process. Is it safe to use polymers in the environment? Is it good? So here, some advantages of synthetic polymers. The first one is lightweight. The second one is easy to shape and colors. The third one is resistant to chemicals. And the last one is very stable and not erodible. Not only that, they have some effects of polymers on the environment that we need to take note. The first one is the natures of some polymers are durable and take a very long time to decompose, causes serious pollution problem. The second one is pollution in the oceans cause many living things to die and microplastic to enter the food chains. The last one is garbage disposal centers are filled with non-biodegradable plastic bags that will affect in the environment. So more sustainable use of polymers we need to recycle is the easiest way for consumers to ensure synthetic polymer do not end up in landfills. The introductions of degradables of decomposable polymers, especially for plastic products, allows pollution to be reduced. Additives and include to allow plastic items to decompose naturally by bacteria or decompose by light. The last one is plastic item will decompose faster and can reduce the problem with dumping plastic items that landfill as well as surface and wild animals. So here is a pictures of when we throw plastic on the beach. Marine life have been affected, such as turtle. The mouth in turtle mouths have a plastic. This is so sad. So we need to take note. Thank you, and I hope you have learned something.